Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a quick eyeshadow tutorial for you. I'm going to be using the X's and O's palette from Colourpop. It retails for I think $16 or $18 and you can find it at Ulta or on the Colourpop website, I believe. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute, super pretty. The back shows all the shade names and this is what it looks like inside the palette. So I'm just going to go ahead and play around and create a fun look using this palette. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So this is what it looks like inside the palette. To start off, I'm going to be using a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Fortunate, and it's a nice kind of brown shade. And I'm just going to work this into the crease. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to be using this shade down here. It's a little bit deeper. It's called Realness, and I'm going to just use that to really deepen the crease and really define it. To further define and create a more dramatic look, I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is a little bit more purple toned. It's called Reckless, and I'm just going to work this into the outer V and up into the crease as well. So I actually decided to pat that shade all over the lid as well. I thought it was really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take some of it and using a flat shader brush and really define my lower lash line with that same deep shade Reckless. And then to make it so it's not so harsh, I'm going to be using the first shade that we used, Fortunate, that more brown tone, and kind of soften the look underneath the lower lashes. Moving on, I'm going to be using this shimmery shade down here called Smitten. It's like a bronzy red golden duochrome type shade. I'm going to be using this all over the lid using a angled shadow brush and just kind of pat this into place. That's a really pretty shade, I like it. To top that off, I'm going to be using this really shimmery shade right here. This is called Know Better. It's like a very light pink with silver reflect in it, and I'm just going to use the same brush to just kind of pat a little on. Okay, and now I'm going to take a domed eyeshadow brush and just use that same Know Better shade, that last one that we just used, to carve out the brows and also highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Alright, I'm going to go off camera, do lashes and liner and lips, and I will come back and show you the completed look. Alright guys, so here is the completed look. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I do really like the palette. If you're interested in a full review of it, go ahead and let me know. I'd be more than happy to film that for you. But I'm very happy with how this look turned out. I think that it's really pretty and it's just really fun and a little bit different than anything that I normally do on a day-to-day basis. So if you enjoyed this quick tutorial, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Picture's worth 1,000 words. I'll paint an invitation to let you in.